The Elgato Green Screen. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Elgato Green Screen. This is a premium green screen that is well made and doesn't take much room at all. It just takes a few seconds to set it up and to put it away. It's perfect for gamers or live streamers on various platforms. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The green screen is compact in design and you can easily move it around. It's about 5 feet long and can extend up to 6 feet in height. It has an aluminum case and the feet fold in and out for support. The top has a carrying handle. On the right, you have the Elgato branding. It has 2 latches to lock the case, and you just flip it up to unlock. Opening the case, you will see the green screen rolled up, and it has a handle in the middle to pull it up. The concept is like the projector screens that you pull down. In this case, we will pull up to set the height. It unrolls very nicely and easily. You can adjust it to your desired height. As mentioned earlier, it can extend up to 6 feet in height. The screen is made out of 100% polyester. You won't have to worry about wrinkles because this is wrinkle-free. The screen feels very sturdy and solid. This is the back view, which you can see the framing along with the pneumatic parts that help it extend and retract. And closing the screen is as simple as opening it. You just gently push down, and everything just rolls back into place. This is the view of the screen rolled up inside the case. The Elgato Green Screen. I highly recommend this if you are a streamer and looking for a green screen. Yes, it's on the pricey side, but if you add up the cost of buying tripods, green screen backdrops, and dealing with a bulky setup that takes up an entire room, the Elgato will surely make your list. It's easy to put away, you can just keep it under the bed or a closet, and it sets up in seconds. No wrinkles to deal with, and it's portable. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.